Little do they know that our strike force operatives were at the high peak of vigilance, and therefore they stumbled into this particular driver who was driving a truck laden with the dreaded Tramadol, codeine, and other controlled painkillers that led to the discovery of a warehouse along Oshodi Maitu Express Way, fully stocked with these illicit drugs, codeine, tramadol, so-called manpower, and other unregistered products without NAFDAC number. Meanwhile, the process of evacuation of these drugs estimated to full 21 trailers with a street value estimation of over 5 billion naira has already commenced.